Hello JPIs, this is Ed. Today, I will demonstrate how to set up Brightspace Pulse in your mobile device. First, download Brightspace Pulse in Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS devices and install. Open Brightspace Pulse. Type jpitech.brightspace.com and press connect. In the sign-in page, type your username and password, then press login. Welcome to your Brightspace account. See you again, JPNs!